things could you buy for $100 or less?
Let's find out.
You can buy a shaved ice machine.
You can get a burrito blanket for less than $100.
I should have ordered a burrito blanket for this video. What was I thinking?
A toilet bowl nightlight.
You can get a washable keyboard. What the heck?
Oh, a laptop stand? Yeah, okay. We need to get off the floor.
So, turns out there's a lot of things you could get for $100.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Kyla. If you're looking on how to make your first $100 as an affiliate, so maybe you can buy 5 burrito blankets, then just keep watching.
And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the biggest mistake that affiliate marketers are making right now, so you can avoid that and increase your sales past that $100. I know, when you are first starting out, it can be so hard to try and get that first sale or even hit that first $100 mark in commissions. But if you're feeling that way, if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're feeling frustrated, don't worry, I got you. You are in the right place. Now, before diving into my 3-part strategy, we gotta talk about the numbers first. For a lot of affiliate marketers who are just starting out, Amazon Associates is a very popular choice. And if you don't know what Amazon Associates is, it is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. So you can sign up to be an affiliate for products on Amazon. And a lot of people, when they're first getting started, they hear a lot of people talking about it. Of course, everyone knows what Amazon is. And so a lot of these beginner affiliates will go ahead, they'll sign up to be an affiliate for Amazon. But I'm gonna share with you guys right now why you should not do that. And the reason why you shouldn't have Amazon Associates be your first affiliate marketing program, so you can hit that mark of $100 in commissions much faster. So let's talk about the numbers really quick, because when you can understand the numbers, you are able to play this game so much better. The question is, do you think it's easier to make $101 sales or $10 sales or one $100 sale? Now, wait, hear me out. When I first started out with affiliate marketing, I thought it was going to be 10 times harder to sell somebody on a $100 product than it would be to sell someone on a $1 product. But that was a complete lie. In reality, you put in just as much work to sell a $1 product as you would to sell a $100 product. So for the same amount of work, if you get one sale, with one product you're only making $1, and with another you're making $100. So by being able to pick products that are going to get us higher commissions and aren't just the cheapest product out there, then you're going to be able to make more money quicker as an affiliate. So the reason why Amazon Associates shouldn't be the first affiliate program that you join is because Amazon only offers about a 2 to 3% commission rate for their affiliates. And so if you're promoting a product on Amazon that's 10 or 20 bucks, you're only getting a few dollars off of every sale. So you're gonna have to work to get a lot more people to buy that product than if you were promoting a higher ticket product that either costs more or has higher commissions. It's a lot easier to get one person to buy something than it is to get 100 people to buy something every week or even every day. Now, Amazon has a great affiliate program. I am not bashing on Amazon Associates at all. And I definitely think it's a great affiliate program to add on later because, of course, you want to have multiple streams of income as an affiliate marketer. And so it's definitely a lot better down the road if you can find products specifically that you love to use on Amazon, your audience is asking about it, and you can go ahead and promote those products to them and make a commission when they buy. But my goal here on today's video is to help you get your first $100 as an affiliate as quickly as possible. And so if you go ahead and listen to the 3-step strategy I'm about to share with you guys, I am going to show you how to do that. Step number 1 is search for high-paying affiliate programs. Now, high-paying affiliate programs, for me, in my opinion, range from anywhere between $100 and $1,000. And that means you're making that much for every sale that you refer. Now, the easiest way to go about finding these programs that you can go ahead and promote, what we're going to go ahead and do is hop on over to Google and we're going to search high-paying affiliate programs. And as you can see, a lot of what's gonna pop up is blog posts of people recommending a bunch of different affiliate programs. So you can see right here, 105 best affiliate programs of 2021, high paying for beginners. We've got 16 high paying affiliate programs that will boost your affiliate earnings, highest paying affiliate programs, 26 high paying affiliate programs. So you've got a lot of options. And the first step at this point is to go ahead and see what's out there and what kind of programs you would be interested in. And also at this point, I would also think about and decide what type of niche you want to promote products in. I know that sounds so formal, and anyone here online is going to tell you that you need to pick a niche and it needs to be super ultra specific. And while yes, that is great advice, I know sometimes that can be really overwhelming, and I don't want that to stop you. So the easiest way to decide this, because I don't want you getting stuck on this step, right? You're gonna go search those programs, but also with the thought in mind that, okay, what do I really enjoy doing in my personal life? Am I really outdoorsy? Maybe I wanna promote products to people who also love the outdoors, or maybe I'm really into beauty, or I love my pets. Really what I would recommend doing is taking a look at your life and looking at the things you already enjoy doing and find affiliate programs or products that go in line with that. Now, really quick, if you want my recommendation on what type of product or program to promote, if you are in the make money online space, I highly recommend checking out the One Funnel Away Challenge that is run by ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a funnel building software, and they run this 30-day online challenge for entrepreneurs. And it's for anyone who wants to learn how to make money online. And essentially they take you by the hand and they help you build a complete business in 30 days or less. And I absolutely love this challenge, not only because it is an amazing challenge, I've taken it myself, I've actually paid to take it twice. I love it. And it really does get people results, but second, they offer amazing commissions. So the One Funnel Away Challenge is $100, and ClickFunnels is paying their affiliates 100% commission. So that means as an affiliate, when you make a sale, you are getting all of that $100, and ClickFunnels doesn't get any of that. Obviously, they do try and make some sales later down the road, but you're getting that $100 right off the bat. So if you're in that space and if you're looking for products to promote, that is one I highly recommend. I'll link some videos down in the description below talking about the ClickFunnels affiliate program, as well as a link to go and sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge to check it out. And you guys, just remember, even though I absolutely love this affiliate product and this affiliate program, and I've been promoting them for a while now, and I've had really great success with them, if that product doesn't fit into your niche or the type of topics you want to talk about, then it's not going to work out for you. And that's why I'm not going to sit here and be like, this is the absolute best product to promote, or this is the best niche to promote, because it's going to be different for every single person. So you have to be able to find what's going to work for you and then run with it. Now, the second step in our strategy, once you've gone ahead, you've done that Google search, go ahead and make a list of 3 to 5 affiliate products that you want to promote that's going to pay you at least $100 for every sale. Now, you can totally throw these into like a Google Doc or pull up the notes on your phone and add it in there, whatever is easiest for you. Don't only look at the price of the product, but also the commissions you're going to receive from that as an affiliate, because you could find a product on Amazon that's $1,000 and promote it, but if you're only making 3% commissions, now you're only getting $30 per sale. And that's why I don't often recommend Amazon associates to beginner affiliates, because while the price of the product may be really high, the commissions are very low. And so, for example, with the One Funnel Away Challenge that I promote, the product costs $100, and since I'm getting all of that, I get paid $100 for every single sale. And third, now that you have your list of 3 to 5 products that you're gonna promote that will give you at least $100 for every sale, now you gotta create content around those products. And when I say content, I just mean putting information out there on the internet. So this could look like blog posts, YouTube videos, Pinterest pins, Facebook posts, TikToks. Literally, your options are endless. And a great tip I have for you guys is find keywords that people are searching around the products that you have chosen, and then create content around that. One great tool that I absolutely love that can help you find these keywords is called Ubersuggest, and it's totally free to use. And once you create a login and you can sign in, you're gonna go over here to the left-hand side and where it says Keyword Analyzer and click on Keyword Overview. And right here in this little box, you're gonna go ahead and type in the products you wanna promote. So if I was promoting the One funnel away challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and type that in there, and we're gonna go ahead and click enter. And if we scroll down here, it's gonna tell me some different stats about this keyword. And if I scroll down, you can see right here in keyword ideas, it's gonna tell me, okay, the one funnel away challenge, that keyword is being searched 1,300 times every single month. So I could go ahead and create content just talking about what the one funnel away challenge is, or creating a review of the one funnel away challenge, or talking about how to log in for the one funnel away challenge. So you can go ahead and look at these different types of keywords and then go ahead and create content around that. And you guys, that is exactly what I did. So if you hop onto my channel, you can see I even have a whole playlist of myself talking about the one funnel away challenge. So I don't only review the challenge and talk about the things that I liked and things that I hated, but I actually even document myself going through every single week and sharing the things that I learned and just talking about my experience going through the challenge. And so if anyone has any questions about the one funnel away challenge, they can go ahead, hop onto my channel, and I've got all these different free videos for them. And if they're interested in the challenge, they can click the links in my description, and if they go ahead and decide to buy, I get $100 for every single sale. And hey, you did it! You made it this far in the video. I'm so proud of you, and holy crap, thank you so much for watching this far. And because you made it this far in the video, now it is time for me to share with you the biggest mistake that affiliate marketers are making right now. Dun, dun, dun. And that mistake is, are you ready for it? Drum roll, please. Is affiliate marketers don't actually learn the marketing. It can be so easy to get caught up in the products, but if you do not know the marketing, then no matter how great the product is or how great you are of an affiliate marketer, you're not going to make any money, because the way you make money is by referring products or selling products to other people, and then they go buy through your link and the company takes care of the rest of it. But you need to learn how to be able to sell. And I'm not going to go into all of that strategy here in this video, but if you want to learn how to be able to sell anything online, regardless if it's your own products or it's the affiliate products you want to promote, then again, I highly recommend taking the one funnel away challenge. So even if you don't want to promote the one funnel away challenge, that's totally okay. I get it. That is just fine. But what I really loved, and the reason why I promote this challenge, is because when I took the one funnel away challenge, I was not intending on promoting it at the start. I didn't even know I wanted to do affiliate marketing, but I went and I took this challenge right after I'd quit my 9-to-5 job, and I knew I wanted to be my own boss. So I took this online challenge that I had no clue if it was a scam, and it helped me learn the ABCs of marketing and how to actually sell to people online and not be scammy or annoying, and actually help change people's lives. Because you guys, I always had such a terrible view of selling, and I always felt so gross and so icky, and I was like, there's got to be a way to feel good about selling online. And you guys, this challenge helped change my perspective that selling is serving. And if there is a product that can truly help someone, it is totally worth it. And so if you want to learn the marketing, if you want to learn how to be able to sell online, I highly recommend taking the one funnel away challenge. I will link it down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And I'm also offering some free bonuses to help you guys out through the challenge, so you have the most success as possible. So there it is. You gotta be able to learn how to sell. I mean, it's called affiliate marketing for a reason. So you've got to be able to understand the fundamentals of marketing in order to be a successful affiliate marketer. So there you guys go. That is my 3-step strategy on how to make your first $100 as an affiliate. And you guys, oh my goodness, I am so excited for you to be able to hit that milestone. I know I was bouncing off the walls when I got my first sale. I was so excited. And let me know down in the comments below, have you gotten your first $100 yet as an affiliate, or are you still waiting? I would love to hear from you guys. If you found any value from this video and you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps support my channel. And as you guys can see, my band-aid as well cut my thumb the other day and it really hurt. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye dudes.